Welcome to HomePantry Pro, and today we're diving into a kitchen gadget that promises to revolutionize your home cooking experience. We're talking about the 2-in-1 electric hot pot and grill combo in a rather striking pink color. This appliance aims to be your go-to for everything from a cozy dinner for one to a lively gathering of four. The star of the show here is undoubtedly the versatile dual functionality. This isn't just a hot pot, and it's not just a grill. It's both, simultaneously. Imagine simmering your favorite noodles or broth in one half of the unit while grilling up some juicy steaks or vegetables in the other. The key to this seamless multitasking is the independent temperature control for each section. This means you can truly customize your cooking, catering to different tastes and preferences at the same time, which is fantastic for those family dinners where everyone wants something a little different. Construction and safety are also highlighted as major selling points. It's built from premium aluminum, which is a good starting point for durability, and it's coated with a non-stick material. This is crucial for both preventing food from sticking and for making cleanup a breeze. The company emphasizes that this coating is rust-resistant, durable, and toxic-free, which are all vital considerations when it comes to cooking surfaces. Topping it all off is a tempered glass lid, allowing you to keep an eye on your culinary creations without losing heat, and ABS handles that are designed to be heat-resistant, ensuring you won't burn yourself when adjusting temperatures or removing the lid. When it comes to performance, the 1200W total power output is distributed through high-efficiency circular heating elements. This design is intended to deliver quick and even cooking. A significant benefit of this setup is the claim of minimized smoke and oil splatter, which is a welcome promise for anyone who dislikes cleaning up a greasy kitchen. Even cooking and rapid results are what we all strive for, and this appliance seems engineered to deliver just that. Convenience and ease of maintenance are clearly a priority with this design. The entire body is said to be fully washable, and combined with that non-stick surface, it sounds like cleaning up after a meal should be incredibly straightforward. This is a big win for busy individuals or families. It also boasts a long, flexible power cord and a lightweight design, making it easy to transport, set up, or store. You're not tied down to a specific spot in your kitchen, which adds to its practicality. Finally, let's talk about the design itself. It's compact, which is a significant advantage for those with limited counter or dining table space. The description specifically mentions it's perfect for 1 to 4 people, making it an excellent choice for small families, couples, or even individuals who enjoy having a variety of cooking options without committing to a large appliance. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the dual functionality is a massive draw. Being able to hot pot and grill at the same time offers incredible flexibility and can make meal preparation much more engaging and efficient. The independent temperature controls are also a great feature, allowing for precise cooking. The non-stick coating and easy-to-clean design are significant advantages for everyday use. The compact size makes it accessible for a wider range of living situations. However, there are a few potential considerations. While 1200W is a decent power output for this type of appliance, for a combined hot pot and grill, it might mean that heating in both sections simultaneously could be slightly slower than if each function had its own dedicated, higher wattage. The compact size, while a pro for storage and smaller spaces, also means that for a full 4 people, the cooking surface might feel a bit crowded, especially if you're grilling larger items. We also haven't tested the long-term durability of the non-stick coating, which is always a question mark with these types of appliances. Lastly, the pink color is a bold aesthetic choice. While some will love it, others might prefer a more neutral option. In conclusion, this 2-in-1 electric hot pot and grill combo is a compelling option for anyone looking to add versatility and fun to their home cooking. It excels in its dual functionality, convenient design, and ease of cleaning. It's particularly well suited for smaller households or those who enjoy interactive dining experiences. While there are minor considerations regarding capacity and power distribution when used simultaneously at full tilt, the overall package offers a lot of value for its intended purpose. Link in the description.